It's been about 2 years since the start of Hot Wheels Elite 64. And it's been a bit of an interesting direction for Hot Wheels to go into. Definitely harks back to the Hot Wheels 100% days. And a lot of people say it's kind of an answer to brands like Mini GT and Tarmac Works coming out. And yeah, about 2 years ago, we were introduced to the first Elite 64 model, which was this Toyota Chaser. And since then, we've gotten quite a good number of models, a lot of really nice ones like this Aventador, the Pandem Datsun 240Z, this BMW wagon. And one of the really cool things we've also gotten is the mod shop, which has the interchangeable parts and whatnot. We've seen the Tacoma, the Land Rover Discovery came out recently, and I believe there is a Jeep Gladiator on the horizon. But today, I am going to show off this behemoth. This came in the mail actually on Saturday. I'm recording this on Sunday, so it only took 2 days to get to me. And this is the Hot Wheels Elite 64 Freightliner Cascadia. This thing's massive. I have been waiting for this to drop for a while. A lot of collectors have. It is sold out now. It sold out, I think it was about an hour. But this thing is sweet. I've already opened it and taken a look at it just the day that I got it, just because I was so excited to take a look at it. And yeah, I can already tell you it's really awesome. So I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way and take a look at it. I got to remember which side I cut open. I think it was this side. Yeah. So I'm going to take a look at it. So this opens up, slide this out. It is protected in foam. And yeah, here's the model. Also, when you get this, there is a layer of tissue paper that goes over the model just to protect it a little more. And yeah, this thing it's large. I'm going to take a look at it. I'm going to take it out very, very carefully. Set it down. All right. It is out of the foam. So, price of this was actually pretty good. Base price was $50. That excludes shipping and tax. For me, shipping and tax on about $10 more. However, some people got lucky and got this at a discount because there was a glitch. So when this launched, they had a sale where it's like, oh, if you buy the hauler and then, more Elite 64 models, you get 25% off any additional Elite 64 models you get, excluding the Freightliner. Well, for the first 10 or 15 minutes of the sale, the discount was glitched, and it applied the discount to the Freightliner and not the other cars, and I think they quickly sorted it out, but like me, I was able to get this at a 25% discount. So instead of $50, it was $37.50, so after shipping and tax, it was about $47. And yeah, and even without the discount, for a full-scale hauler like this, it's still a really good price. And actually, compared to other brands, this is actually a bit cheaper than other competitors, which I feel like with Hot Wheels nowadays, it's very rare to say something is offered at a fair price, especially a lot of people talking about Hot Wheels Premium and like, oh, the price is going up and the quality's stagnating, the graphics quality sucks, etc., etc. But this is awesome. So the trailer and the hauler are able to be separated. This is actually rubber, and there's a little metal post, so it actually does fit in there really nicely. And this thing's all metal. These silver ramps, these are metal. The bottom is metal. This thing is all metal. It's heavy. The hauler, also all metal. It's big. It's really cool. I really like it. And yeah, so you have all this side detail, all the markings and whatnot. Newly tooled wheels for this release. This ramp here does tilt up and down. It is also metal. And yeah, that is the trailer you get with it. It is big. It is big. And then let's look at the hauler itself. You have newly tooled wheels here on the back and on the front. They're in a bit of a charcoal chrome. It is finished in a matte black with a Ghost Hot Wheels deco on it. You have separate pieces for the mirrors. The mirrors are actually detailed, so there's a bit of a silver paint there. The seats are detailed. There's actually some red on the seats there, which is quite insane that they got that detail in. So you can see more of that interior. Trying. It's a bit hard to see in there, but you can see the red there of the seats, which is really cool. The grille is a separate piece. The headlights are a separate piece. Got the Freightliner logo right there. All in all, there's the rear lights there. Got your mud flaps there. It's got proper dualies on it on the back there. All in all, a really awesome model. And yeah, so this is a car transporter, obviously. So if you hook it up like this, you can put cars on it. So what should I pick? Let's do the BMW. They had this on the, for like a lot of the promo pictures, they did use Elite 6.4 models to load it up. So let's load up some cars. Got this BMW wagon. Really like this release. This came out not too long ago. We're gonna put that. Let's put it down in here. Now online it does say that it can hold up to 6 cars. I don't know if it actually can. I've only been able to fit 5. Let me do we'll do the Aventador with all the stuff removed. Put this one on the bottom right here. But yeah, I don't see how you could fit a 6th car in this. I really don't. Unless, I don't know if you can fit anything in there. Should I try? I feel like nothing will fit in here. No, I don't know. What if I tried? I'm trying to, crap, you know what? Let me take stuff off. Let me see if I can get something up there. Because it says 6. I've only been able to fit 5. So I don't know if it's incorrect or what, but like, I don't think anything will be able to like physically fit in there. It's just way too low. Like, let me try the Bugatti. Yeah, no. So nothing will fit. So I think it is only 5. Anyway, I don't know. Because it says 6 on the shop page, but I'm like, I was kind of playing with this, around with this yesterday, and I was looking, and I'm like, I can only really fit 5. So, okay, now we're going to load that up. We're going to close that up. We'll take the Z. We'll take the, let's take the Mercedes. And I'll take the Tacoma. We'll put that up here. So yeah, loaded it up. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if it can fit a 6th one. I haven't been able to fit a 6th one, but that rolls really nicely. And yeah, I mean, this thing is pretty sweet. And it's just one of those things that I think this is one of the cool, like, I think Elite 64 right now, I think is one of the more interesting Hot Wheels lines. Or right now it might be the most interesting because they're doing so much cool stuff with it. A lot of innovation like this full-scale hauler. And there's another one coming. There is a Scania hauler that was shown off at the convention back in October. There's also a lot more cool Elite 6.4 models coming. There's another mod shop release, which is, I believe, a Gladiator. There's that really cool Valkyrie. They're just doing so much cool stuff with this line, and it's been really fun to see where we have gone in 2 years. So this was the start of Elite 6.4, the catalyst. I think for a lot of people, maybe left them a bit disappointed for Elite 6.4, but this is where we are now. I gotta say, I really dig this line. This Elite 6.4 line is really awesome, and I cannot wait to see where Hot Wheels takes it next. And that's about it. See ya.